Well, good morning, everyone. The contrast between the volatility in emerging market currencies and the typical summer calm in the G10 is astonishing. Just over the last 24 hours or so, dollar Indonesia has traded in a 4.8% range. If you look at the bottom and the top, dollar Brazil has traded in a 4.1% range, and dollar rupee in India has traded in a 3% range. That's just over 1 day. By contrast, Eurodollar has started the morning session in Europe with a 1.32 or 133 handle for 32 consecutive business days, according to our data. And the turmoil in the emerging market shows no signs of abating, while, on the other hand, the shock to the developed markets from the Syrian crisis has actually calmed down somewhat yesterday. An attack on Syria seems a little less imminent, as the UN inspectors suggest they need more time to complete their report, and Russia's UN representative said no action can be taken until they complete that report. Oil prices came down yesterday, and as they did, many of the risk aversion trades retreated. As a result, most currencies Wednesday just moved in the opposite direction from what they had done on Tuesday. Today, the economic calendar is looking pretty busy. In Europe, we have German unemployment in August. That's forecast to remain unchanged at 6.8%. German CPI for August is estimated to have risen 0.1% month on month. That's a slowdown from July's 0.5% rise, but that slowdown isn't likely to impact ECB thinking right now. They're more focused on just general growth. Business confidence in France and consumer confidence in Italy and the UK are also due out today. They're expected to be unchanged to higher. That would corroborate the gradual improvement in sentiment in the Eurozone and perhaps boost Eurodollar towards the upper end of its trading range, which currently would be towards 134 the figure. In the US, we've got second quarter GDP revisions coming out. They're expected to be revised. Second quarter GDP is expected to be revised up to 2.2% from the preliminary estimate of 1.7%. That could help to improve confidence in the US, although admittedly the second quarter is looking to be further and further in the past, more historical data than present data. The present data would be in the future would be more on the employment picture, and there we've got initial jobless claims coming out today. Jobless claims are expected to show a smaller rise of 331,000 as opposed to 336,000 last week, which may help to reassure the markets that tapering is indeed on its way. That would just send Eurodollar back down towards the lower end of its trading range near 133 the figure. So not much excitement here. Better to play the emerging market currencies where volatility is assured. This is Marshall Giller, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.